Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the life, guys, in Dubai. So today I have some crazy things for you guys, but before that I'm going to give you a house tour of the apartment I'm living in Dubai, and also I'm going to be showing you how I made $1,000 today morning, guys, on my funded $50,000 funded account with the Forex funder. So let's first get into the house tour, guys. So this is a very nice Airbnb. It's in Dubai Marina. So for those that don't know Dubai Marina is one of the most expensive places to live in Dubai, you know. So I can show you. This is the Dubai Marina, guys. Look at that. That is Dubai Marina, all of that, and that is the skyline. As you can see, that is the skyline. They do the Marina skyline. You can see. That is the Shambariarity metro station right there. Right there. That is the metro station, as you can see, guys, and that is called Sheikh Zayed Road. That one right there. That is the highway. You see. So let me show you around this apartment, guys. So when you come through the door, the security is just very tight. You can see this is the door. You know, you have this lock right here. You have that right there. You have your, you know, your electricity and everything there. You have a phone. If anyone comes to down or want to see you, though, the reception will call right there. Then right here, I love the designs in this house. Look at this. This is a big watch, guys. You know, you have your plant right there. We have a small dining, you know, right there. Now when you come to the sitting room, okay, this space is small, but it's so unique. Most of because of the color coordinations, you know, the colors are just coordinating. I don't know anything about architecture, but I just love the colors, you know. Watch this. So look at the small chairs, these sofas, but the colors are just the same as this one right there, and even this right there. You see, traders. Same to the curtains. You see. Same to the curtains, you can see. There you have your TV. Then you have this nice lamp right here, you know. So most of you guys have been seeing me doing content in front of here. So I just put the other chair right here and then do the content, you can see, guys. So that is a small space. Let me walk this side so you guys can see it. You see it. And getting one of these during Christmas time right now, it's so damn expensive. Because guys, first look at that. Look at those two cars right there. See that? Right there. This one. That's a Rolls Royce right there. Oh my goodness, guys. Literally, I've been watching cars. Like, anytime when I'm done trading, I come here and just watch cars. Like, like, the cars that are in this country, like it's so normal. Like, it's a normal thing, you know. Like, even just down my hotel, you see this hotel, it has 3 basements. That is its parking. Now, one of my friends came and wanted to park down, so I had to go out with the key card, this card right here. So this is the access card. So yeah, this is the parking card right here. Yeah. So this is the card that would access it to go down into the basement. So I went with him, but the cars that I saw, bruh, we had Rolls Royces down there, we had the Ferrari, we had the 2023 Range Rover Vogue, bruh, we had like all these latest cars, like even there was a Bugatti Chiron, like under this, you know, like these things like just motivate me, like to, you know, work hard, you know, because to be honest, I would want to live here. Like, one of the days you're going to just see me relocate, like, forever. You know, these days I've just been coming for like a month. I stay here for like, you know, holiday, because I don't go for vacation. This is the holiday, not vacation. Holiday. Vacation is just 1 week. So guys, let's continue this house tour. So again, this kitchen. Don't mind these. These are all, you know, I don't cook, so I've been ordering food online, you see. But you have your washing machine right there, your cooker and everything. Just a small, you know, special space. Then this is the toilet right there. Now when you come to the bedroom, yeah, the bedroom is also it's nice, as you can see, guys. Just a small space. As you can see, that is my bed right there. Quite of this, so my suitcases. That is my bedroom, guys. You see, you just wake up to watching cars every single day, and the Rolls Royce is still there. You see, still there. That one right there. This one, that one right there. You know, and we see a Range Rover Sport right there. You see, guys. So this is my space. Quite of not so clean, but of course I paid to sleep, not to do anything here. Then I'll be taking you down, and so you guys can see the swimming pool and all that, and also the gym here. But so far, let me first show you how I made $1,000 on my. Let me show you guys how I made $1,000 today morning. I had to actually make this video the day I came, but I was a bit of tired, so I've been just sleeping. You know, sleeping is part of my holiday. Sleeping every single day, every single day. Where's my other phone? So this is my phone, traders. Now I was able to secure $1,000. So guys, you can see this is my account. You see, the Forex funder. You see, you can see I was able to secure this $1,000 with a 5 lot, obviously. So anytime when I have a good setup, you know me, guys, I'm going to go aggressive. You know, as long as I'm sure of my setup. Now this is what I had. Let's come to our trading view right here. I show you. Gold has given us a pattern. So this was the pattern right here. Let's try to, you can see, traders. So when you go to the 1 hour time frame, gold has given us an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle is a continuation pattern to the upper side. So anytime when you see such price, it's most of the time going to pull back and retest after a breakout, or it will come down and retest, you know. So this is what we had. This is our ascending triangle, you can see right here. So you can see traders, we had that. Then we had price breakout. You can see it broke out with really much momentum. So when you check your 1 hour candle, you're going to see that price tried pulling back. Now this pullback, this red candle right here, is what I took on. I was able to secure, I don't know how many pips were those, but all I wanted is to make at least $1,000, and I was able to make $1,100 on the Forex funder. Meaning, since I take 95% of my profits, I'm going to be taking a big bite of that $1,000, and $1,000 is going to, you know, keep me in Dubai enjoying life, you know. Make sure to get the Forex funder accounts right now, guys. Get funded, you know. Deposit money either on your Forex accounts or get funded. That is the thing. But me, I'll tell you, me, I'm getting funded. There's no way I'm trading my own money. So, let me grab this card right here. This is the building access. You see, if you don't have this, you can't access any of these buildings. This is what I like about this. And also, the cameras everywhere. You know, you have your ACs right there, so you don't need to feel the heat. You see, you have your AC there, another one right there. You know, there's no way you're going to feel heat. And most of you guys will be saying, okay, Dubai is very hot, but from November, I don't know which date, but it has been cold. That's why you see me even putting on this. It's been cold. So, and they told me first they told me it's going to be cold until March, because I've never lived in Dubai for more than 2 months. So I'm really ready for this. I'm going to be here in Dubai for 1 full month. Now just imagine how much I'm going to enjoy. You know, guys, anyway, anytime when I see a good car, I'll show you. Look at that S-Class right there. That one right there, that one. Anyway, guys, let's go down, and then I'll show you the rest of the place. Literally, people order things and they're just on the door, you see. And they're very safe. You can't do this back home. As you can see, guys, we're going to the ground floor. And most of you guys will be wondering, how do I record my videos? Guys, I use my phone. You know, most of you guys I see, buy a camera, blah, blah, blah. Of course, my phone is expensive, but I'm not a content creator. Yes, I do content for YouTube, but YouTube doesn't pay me much money. Like what Forex pays me, so I just use my phone and make sure to get always the best quality for you guys. And traders, the broker that I'm using is Fxview. Fxview is registered in 4 countries: India, South Africa, Cyprus, and Mauritius, to make sure that your money is safe. And also Fxview is an ECN broker, meaning your transactions are fast. It's a fast broker. Anytime when you're placing trades, they go in fast and you close your trades very fast with lower spreads and leverage starting from 500, as you can see right there, guys. Lower spreads on pairs like gold, as you can see, guys. Right here you have a 0.1 spread on gold. So make sure to get your Fxview accounts right now. I'll be leaving the link below this video. You can see, guys. Then you have, as I mentioned, this is the marina. So look at that, guys. See, that's the marina. As you can see, right there. Tall buildings. You see, guys. Then you have the pool right there. Then the gym is just in there. As you can see, guys. One of the days, as I mentioned, I'm going to just close my eyes and just move to Dubai. That's all. Because there are some people who have moved here. This is a very safe country to stay in. You know? Literally, this country doesn't sleep. During day or night time, you want to eat food will be on your doorstep. Like when you order for food, it just takes minutes and you already have your food with you. Any type of food that you want, Chinese or anything, you know? So why would the Thai live in such a country, guys? So all I can say, guys, make money and make extra money so that you can move to such nice places. You see, guys, look at that. Look at that skyline. So most of you guys will be wondering, okay, how is Dubai compared to other countries? Let me tell you. First of all, Dubai, I think the only thing that you would hate about it is the hotness. To be honest, when it gets hot in Dubai, it's just like in India, even in Kuwait. Actually, Kuwait is one of the hottest places on earth. That if you walk in Kuwait for just, let's say, 30 minutes outside, there's sunshine and it's like really, really that hot, you may faint or you may pass out, you know. So so Kuwait is very hot. Now, Dubai also, it gets like so hot like India. Like that time when they get up to like 42 degrees, that is like so hot. So I remember I used to go to class, and then, you know, the time you reach class from your hostel, you're just wiping sweat. Yeah, that's the only thing that actually Uganda is better than Dubai, the weather. But other than that, these European countries, I don't feel like going to them, because again, what Dubai has created is, it has created like Europe in Dubai, like in UAE, you know. And this is just Dubai. Now there's also Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital city of UAE. It's on another level also, you know. But most of you guys just know Dubai, and probably most of you guys think Dubai is a country. Dubai is just a city, and certainly the capital city, you know. So they've created the whole of Europe in here. You don't need to go to Europe to experience it. To be honest, the first thing, coming here is very easy. Getting your visa. To be honest, you see, anytime when I'm traveling, I'm coming to here. I don't do it like now, and I'm going to travel like in 3 weeks. No, but I'm traveling this. Let's say I'm traveling tomorrow. You know, let's say I'm going to travel, let's say in 2 days. I make my visa. I call my agent, get me the visa and get me the ticket. By tomorrow evening, I already have everything. You know, it's very easy to come here. But the only thing that is expensive is this, to stay here, mostly in these good places, it's quite costly. But you know, for a trader, that's pocket change, you know. As long as you're a profitable trader, as long as you're a disciplined trader, you can obviously make the rent here. Like, let's say staying here for a month, I have to pay like $5,000, you know. Now, meaning if I booked even late, I would pay around $6,000 for a month to stay in this apartment. Obviously, $5,000 is a lot of money, but again, it's value for my money, you know. I have a gym, I have a swimming pool, I can always relax on, you know. After making that money, you already don't need to relax. And first of all, this is like a safe space, you know. You don't feel any noise. Like, literally, you see, I'm not using any microphone like hooked up on me, you know, to talk to you guys. Let me even stand this side. You see, guys, You can still listen. You can still hear me. You see, I have a supermarket down in this building. One of the videos I'll be making a video. It's a small supermarket, but it has everything. Literally, they have already packed food and everything. You just have to come and put it in the microwave and then boom, eat. You know, this is a very safe space. Eesh. Guys, if I tell you the cars in this country, look at that. Look at that. Also Mercedes Benz, I think it's a CLA. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that one right there. I think it's a CLA. That one right there. Eee, guys. But anyway, traders, come to Dubai, make that money. Guys, as I told you, food in this country. You see now, you see when you can afford 3 boxes, you know, just to test on each. And my boys there eating small, man.
My brother.
Shawarma. I had that one. This one. You know. What's this one? I know. I said no junk and all those things, no sugar. But this is a holiday, man. I'm not going to lift a single metal. I just do push-ups and all that. You know. This has to be holiday, man. There's no way I'm going to start lifting things and hurting my body. Soft life, guys. Soft life. Soft life. Oh yeah, first of all, there. First show this people how it is pizza. Pizza. Arch. This is not the original pizza. All those things they make in Uganda.
Actually, okay, we are in this together. We're in this together.
We're in this together. Cheers. After this, what are we doing? The other guy wanted us to go back to there and see him.
I don't know. We go out and maybe chill a little bit or what, I don't know.
Yeah. Guys, content is coming, you know. This first week has been for sleeping. You know, all those sleepless nights we've been having in Kampala. Oh my god. You guys don't know. You guys don't know. All the sleepless nights we've been having in Kampala
are being finished here.
Yeah. Okay, for me, I'm done.
You're going to live here when you've gained weight.
Yeah, I need that weight. So when I go back to Kampala, I transform that weight to muscles. Listen. Guys,
So, mbade janta.
that boy has to put on weight, huh?
No, I don't want weight, please. Okay.
He has to put on weight, man. But anyway, guys, it's currently 5. It's 5. So guys, it's currently 5 p.m. As you can see, it's already looking like it's getting dark here. Is it? Obviously, you know, the biggest lady right there. But anyway, guys, we're going to move out and I'll be recording more. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, you know? Make sure to subscribe.
Money is good!
Alright.